Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, today we are going to review this brand new Godzilla. This one is one of my favorites out of the whole entire thing, or whole entire SH Monsters line. And without further ado, let's show him off. The Godzilla 2014 poster version. He is one of my favorite Godzillas, as I said in the beginning. As you can see, he's got some pretty cool colors: the red and the orange on his toes, and the orange on his underbelly. And well, as you can see, he's Godzilla 2014, am I right? And we have the box back there. And then down here we have the flip book, or little book, that if we open, you can see Japanese writing. Yeah. You can see these posters. I don't know where these posters are from, but I know these are 2014 Godzilla posters. We have this one, and there's a second page where we have two others. This one, and this one. So we have those. And then over here, we have this DVD holder. It holds a bunch of DVDs for Godzilla. And this, I actually haven't unwrapped yet. So let's unwrap it. See what it has. See what it is. Okay. This is actually a triple review. We're going to review this, and you probably know what else we're going to review, seeing as you read the title. Probably. I don't know. I wonder what this is. Oh, it looks like it's some sort of DVD holder. Oh, that's cool. Well, gotta put this back in the wrap. Make sure it doesn't get messed up. And that's that right there. Okay, now to the Godzilla. What you probably actually came here for. As you can see, it looks really cool. Has some very nice colors. One second, guys. There we go. Okay. As you can see, he has a lot of red and orange on him, especially the claws and the feet. And okay, so let's get to the articulation. We got a ball joint here, and he can bend down, up and down like that. He can move side to side just a little bit. And then he can go up and way farther down. And then, if you move here to this angle, he can move side to side with his whole entire body. Then he has movable arms, as you can see. He can rotate his arm up and down, up and down. He can also move it side to side and his hand, it can rotate. It's the same for the other side. Makes sense. His arm can also go inwards and outwards. Then we can go to down here where the legs are. He can move his leg like that. Then he can bend his knee forward, bend it backwards, and then he can also move his feet side to side or up and down. So it can make like a stomping pose like this. Then the tail is probably the most poseable part, seeing as it can move very fluently with each segment. There's like, I don't know, like 20 segments of posability on this tail. I'm not sure. Then if we move farther down, this just turns into a solid piece, which makes sense, seeing as his tail was got, as it went on through it, it got like really small and thin, which makes sense. I don't know how it does. Anyways, you can move it up and down, side to side. So yeah, that is all for this Godzilla. And now we can do size comparison. First off, we have Heisei Godzilla, NECA Heisei Godzilla. They're around the same height. Yeah, they're around the same height. Then, let's get Heisei Godzilla out of the way. And we can move to NECA's 2014 Godzilla. They're actually the same height too. Just about. Okay, so now we can move on to the last Godzilla size comparison before we introduce something else. The 2019's Godzilla, which is actually, the tail on 2019 is actually smaller than 2014's. We just gotta move his tail up a little bit so we can prop it up against like that and see the actual heights. We can bend his tail, and well, is a little bit taller, just a little bit though. Okay, so now let's get him out of the way. And now we can show you guys something else. Okay, so far we've shown the articulation, the everything it comes with, the size comparison and all that. But we still have one more thing. We have this custom-made atomic breath piece for it. I made it. You can stick it in his mouth. It's not going to hold, but, you know, it's not really supposed to. And you can do a downwards atomic breath with it, which actually looks pretty cool. I decided to paint it orange and red because, well, he's poster version, and he's orange and red. Unlike his, what the actual guy looks like, which is like a blackish charcoal red. Or not charcoal red, charcoal black. Anyways, now that we have him out of the way, we're going to review the second item. These ohuhu alcohol base markers. It comes with 48 colors, all really cool. One side of them is what looks to be like a side where you can cover a lot of ground with one stroke, and this one is for like the little details around it. fine tip and chisel tip. Okay, and they blend really well, in my opinion, because I've already tried a couple of them. Actually, pretty much all of them. Anyways, now we can get on to the last review. This guy I've been waiting for a long time, but I finally got him. And he is massive, so we're gonna have to move some stuff so we can even make room for it. And this is an SH Monster of Godzilla. Okay. Hopefully we have enough space for him even. I don't think we'll even have enough space. Better move this book so it doesn't get messed up. Put it on top there. And now we have one of my favorite Godzillas of all time. Probably my most favorite Godzilla, actually, besides 2019 and 2014. We have Godzilla Singular Point. Well, first off, let's open him. He is a massive, massive figure. Looks pretty cool. I actually pre-opened him because I wanted to take a peek at him. Let's get this box out of the way so, it doesn't take up all the stuff. Okay, now, to start off, we gotta put his hand back on. This is a huge figure. It doesn't even fit on screen. Since he doesn't fit on screen, I guess we'll have to start with the mini Jet Jaguar. Pretty cool. And he also comes with a stand on the bottom. The other ones, there is a bigger one that I do have. I just do not know where it is exactly. Anyways, we have this second mouth to make him, to make his mouth go wider so it can roar. And if you're making like a stop motion, which I probably am, can go, and make it so it looks like an atomic breathing stage. Anyways, so we're gonna have to raise the camera. And so far, he looks pretty cool. You can move his arm back and forth, and run it down and upwards. And the hand actually has two little ball joints showing right here, but it's and the ball joint, and the hand is connected to the ball joint, but it's actually this right here doing all the work. It's the same for the other hand, except, the other hand pops off pretty easily, just like 2019's tail. Probably never told you that, but anyways, let's get to the head. First off, you can move his jaw up and down like this. Then if you were to do this, if you face it downwards, it looks like he has an extra row of spikes and it goes down. Anyways, you can move his neck up and down, side to side. And then, for this part, you can move his body side to side, but very limited because of the amount of spikes across. Because, look, they're not really put in order. Or, like, see how this guy's spikes go, like, first they go up, 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 and get biggest, and then they go down, 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 and then stop? That's different for this one. Because, it's Ultima, it's different. It has those red veins across its spine. Or not spine, it's dorsal plates. You can move up and down, not very much though. And now let's get to those feet and legs. He can move them like this, and right here he's got a bend at this. It's a little stiff, and you can move his legs side, up and down, and then side to side pretty well. Now let's get to that massive tail. This thing is so long, like pretty much the whole entire box was just tail, or this guy kind of took up the whole entire space of the box. Each tiny segment can move up and down, and unlike Shin Godzilla's tail, he can actually make it stay up in the air, like an S, which is really cool, which can create some awesome scenes from Godzilla. And that'll be all today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will have a stop motion sooner or later. Sorry I haven't been posting very often, but, you know, it's been Christmas so far, and I've been trying to make some pretty good stop motion. So hope you like them. They should come out pretty soon. So, see you guys.